Hello! Today we are going to do something a little bit different. We are going to make these coasters. Maud Lewis, she's a painter from Nova Scotia, and we love her. My friend gifted this to me for my birthday, so thank you so much, Kira. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make some felted coasters. I don't think I need a machine. I think it's all hand sewing. That's why we're outside today. I thought it would be better lighting. I was wrong. It still is very shadowy out here, but it's okay. It's good to get some sun, and that's what I'm going to do today. So I haven't opened this up yet, but yeah, this is what the box looks like, if it will focus. And then it's made here in Nova Scotia, I believe, and then everything that's in the box: felt, embroidery floss, sewing needles, felting needle, pattern, and a QR code for instructions. So that's really good. So I'm excited. I love coasters. I'm a coaster girly, so this will be exciting. Alright, I feel quite lied to. It says there is QR code written in visual instructions, but I can't find anything. I can't find a QR code. I tried searching up like the brand and seeing if like they had anything. Nothing. So we're just gonna have to go by the image. I'm hoping I'm skilled enough for that. From what it looks like, we have the patterns here, so I'll cut them off. I don't assume there's seam lines or whatever. And the only thread I have is this. It looks like there's not a lot of sewing. This is just for the whiskers and the nose, and then this is the basket stitch around the coaster. And then you would felt this with the felting thing. So it did say I needed glue as well. So I don't know if I glue it down as well while felting. That seems wrong. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So I guess we'll just cut it all out and hope for the best. Alright, the lighting is kind of just getting worse and worse. I'll probably go inside soon because this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. Just cutting it out, and I only have the cat pieces cut out. I have no idea if I'm doing this right, kind of just guessing, looking at the image. I'm doing this one. Cut in a curve. Maybe it's kind of hard to poke it. I don't know if I'm supposed to poke it all or just poke like around the sides. That's kind of just what I'm doing now. I would assume maybe it's just poke the sides, hope for the best. And then this is what it looks like on the back. I don't know if I'm supposed to like water felt it at all eventually. Maybe not. This would be helpful if I had a QR code. I've needle felted before, so I feel like I know how to needle felt, but I've never actually needle felted like felt like this, just like the loose felt. I'm also thinking like, should I have like put the eyeballs on first? It probably doesn't matter, honestly. Okay. Ears. Ear. Hello. It is most definitely not summertime where I was last filming this, and it is now winter, and there is snow on the ground. I thought this was going to be a quick project, a project that I could just finish over the weekend, and that clearly did not happen. I am quite far into it. I think like this project has just stressed me out so much. It stressed me out. I didn't know Ma Lewis could stress me out this much, but she did. I think having no video to look at and know if I was doing correctly didn't help. The felt, like my needle just kept breaking, and I just quickly went to finish the embroidery on the face right now, and I even broke the needle they gave me to do the embroidery, so that's just lovely. Since this was the last video I was working on, I haven't even been working on anything else. It is probably time to finish this video, as well as I'm moving. Yes, I'm moving again, and everything will be packed up going into a storage unit. And you know what? I'd rather be packing this up finished than not finished. Yeah, this YouTube video has been low-key on hiatus since the summertime, and it will be on hiatus again. I will be moving in with my mom for a bit, but I do have a house. I just have to wait until the spring for it. So that is exciting. It will be a place that I know I'll be there for a very long time, and I won't have to worry. But right now, I have to pack, and I want to pack with all my stuff, like most of my projects finished, and yeah, I want to get this done. So the next step, and I'll give you a close up of what this looks like in a second. The next step is putting the backing on, so we will be hiding this mess on the back, and we will be doing a blanket stitch, I believe. We'll see if I remember how to do a blanket stitch, but yeah, that's all I have to do. So I hope it goes very smoothly, and apologies that this was not a very calming video of me just out on my deck sewing. It happens, things happen, and I would feel better finishing this video and still posting it, so even if it's not great. Pajamas, because they're literally featured in every video, so I don't know why I say that, but I am finished. I'm finished, and you know what? They look good. They look good. They might have caused me some stress along the way, a couple gray hairs, but they look good, and yeah,
I don't know what to say. They do look good. They turned out great. My favorite step was the final step, which was just the blanket stitch, of course. That was probably the only calming thing out of this project. But now I know I can pack these up and feel a lot better knowing that they're finished. And the same with this video. It will probably still be not edited in the next couple of months, but at least the video is done and I can do this when I move. So yeah, thank you for watching along. This was just supposed to be a short, silly video and a short, silly project, but you know, things happen and that's okay. I have been working on things, of course, since whenever I started this. I actually did my first market with my community. It wasn't really promoted great, but I still think it turned out like, it was still great. It got me thinking of what I can do next time, and like I feel like I now actually want to do markets in the future, so that'll be something to think about. And actually I'm going to show you some of the things that I made for the market. Here's my bin of stuff. I of course had my sweaters. Actually, have you guys seen my sweaters? I don't think so. That saying, I do post things on Instagram, and since I'll be on a hiatus, I might try to post a little bit more on Instagram, just focus on that. So please follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, whatever your preferred social media is. So I made a bunch of stars. This was something I've been making for years, honestly, and I think I have like videos of me making these, but I did make some stars. I don't know how good my camera is right now. I feel like it's always blurry, but yeah. And then I made my own hang tags because I'm crazy, but yeah, the stars turned out really lovely. There's yellow, red, and green. No one bought any. No one really bought my stuff. I did bring my Nan's stuff with me just because I wanted to make some money. So I made this hat just for funsies. Since I'm making these blanket sweaters, I want to also use as much of the sweaters as I can. I don't really like this hat, but I figured someone else might. And then I made gloves, and some people did buy some gloves, which is great. And there was like one pair that I was like, oh, if they don't buy, that's okay, I'll keep those, but someone did buy them, so that's really great. Yeah, so we got some gloves, and I love them. I need to put these all on my website. I do have a website now too. And then because I don't have that many bags left, I kind of sold them to my community's market. And I have sold some. I just made 2 more bags, and I also love them because I'm trying to do hardware now. Like, I really want them to look professional, but in their own scrappy way. So I have this one. I added a button inside, and then there should be like an actual little zipper. Oh my gosh, she went all out. And then this one, which I would say is more me because I like the green. And it also has the hardware. Yeah, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I really want to make more, but like I said, I will be on hiatus for a bit. So this might be my last video for a while, and you know what? That's okay. I only film this for fun, and I'm not going to stress myself out about it. But I will be back, and I am grateful for all of you who stick around and watch my channel. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop talking and show you the reveal of these coasters in the daytime. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another one. Bye!